Is it on? Is it on? Oh, hello. Hi, I'm Kathy Dixon. I'm so excited you decided to join me today. I have a very special trip I'm going on and I wanted you to get ready with me. Are you ready? Okay, well, yeah, you can tell I'm in my bathroom and you can see I'm getting ready for something, but actually this is not your typical get ready with me video. You're probably wondering, what is this then? Well, I want you to stay tuned and find out because actually my makeup's already done. I just have to do something with this hair. Usually I don't go on video like this, but let's get this going. Okay, that's much better. Now it's time to reveal to you what I am talking about. Can you guess? No, it's not a social or video influencer conference. No, it's not Get Your Teach On, although I'd love to go to that conference. And no, it's not Keeping the Wonder because that sounds amazing too. Well, the actual conference is HIVE 2019 in Atlanta with Open Up Resources. So it's a get ready to do math with me conference. Are you with me? Okay, so I just brought my suitcase upstairs and I had seen a tweet yesterday from Brooke Powers. She's the community manager for Open Up Resources, and she had tweeted something about a geometry toolkit. So I ran to school today because I figured I'd better pack mine too. Even though they're gonna have some there, I'm wondering if it's gonna be like the right size for me or will it be in my color palette? So I wanted to make sure I have my own, and luckily the school was still open and I could get in my room. And I don't know what kind of luggage Brooke Powers has, but I don't think my geometry tools are gonna fit here with all my clothes. So I have to go with a backup plan. I'm gonna see if packing some of this stuff I could find double use for. Okay, so let's see what I've got here. We got this patty paper to use with our Unit 1 in geometry. I do both 6th and 7th grade levels. So I'm wondering if I wet this, maybe I could double it as like a makeup remover? Good idea. And then next I was looking at these quart cups and I thought, that's not gonna pass the bar with the 3-ounce limit for carry-on, so I gotta find something smaller. And then I remembered about these, oh my gosh, we get these in our kits, and I thought, wow, how ingenious, the lid comes off. I'm sure I could put some makeup or some liquids that I need in here, and then I could use it for the day that we do geometry as well. Pretty clever, right? And who doesn't like to bring scissors with them on a trip? I always bring scissors anyway, so I'll just pack these. Last but not least, I was thinking about these tangrams. I mean, who needs Netflix and watching on a device on the airplane when you can do tangrams instead? Ingenious! Oh darn, I just realized I didn't get my protractors. I had them in a different basket at school, and of course I locked that in my cupboard over the summer, and I forgot. It's too late now. I don't have time, but look at my makeup bag. It's almost packed. It's ready to go with all my geometry toolkit supplies. I cannot wait to see everybody at the HIVE 2019 conference, and I will be definitely vlogging while I'm there, so look forward to more videos on the conference. Even if you can't attend this year, or you're not even a math teacher, believe me, it's gonna be a really fun time. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and like this video. See you at HIVE. Can't wait. Are you ready for more?